Okay guys, I just went to Walgreens because remember earlier I told you that I had 20,000 points and I had my $6 register reward and I was going to turn that into something free. Well, not quite, but I almost made it. So I went back, I did the deal. They had one pack of toilet paper left. Thank goodness I got that. I got a pack of the Tide Pods and the liquid. Now I did use paper coupons for these. I'm afraid to use my digital coupons for fear something is going to attach to the wrong thing and I won't get my $6 register reward back. I'm just a little paranoid. So I did that. I gave them, here's my receipt. Okay, so here's everything that I purchased right here. My receipt, my coupons came off, the dollar, the two, the manufacturer coupon, which was my last register reward. And this time I decided I wanted to use some of those 20,000 points that I got because, I mean, that's what you get them for, to use them. So what I did was, let me see if I can show you this. I used 5,000 points, which actually shows up here as well. Redeemed 5,000 points. I gave her a $20 bill. I paid 96 cents for all of these. So I figure if I use this reward, register reward, 3 more times, and my 20,000 points, an increment of 5,000 each, I can do this transaction 4 times and only pay 96 cents for each one. So for me, that is a really, really, really good deal. All right, happy couponing, guys. Hope you're still making some great deals, and I really hope they get another load of paper towels or toilet paper in. Till next time.